Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stickers on your WeChat account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your login code. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to add stickers, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. From this page, you will find the sticker gallery option. Tap on this and now you will see the various different stickers that are available. You can browse through the stickers and then tap on the add button on the specific stickers that you wish to add. Once the sticker has been added, you can tap on the send button and you will be able to send these stickers to various different users and also use it within your chat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add stickers onto your WeChat account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.